Hey guys, Ethan over at Easy Auto Spa in Athens. I want to show you one real quick thing that we're actually offering now that we did not offer previously. We are doing smoked headlamps. So we actually have a smoked PPF, paint protection film, that is going on the lens of these headlights. The customer wanted to give this a little bit different look, and I know we've got another video on YouTube. You should go check it out. It is showing how we were doing the customization on the stripes and everything on this Bronco. But yeah, he wanted to give a little different look up front, so we went with a smoked look. It's gonna give it a little bit of a meaner look. Also, it's gonna help to protect the headlamps because it is a paint protection film. That's a thicker film, so it'll help to protect from that and protect from the oxidizing with the UV rays. Yeah, I think it's gonna look really cool. Check it out.